I'll walk you through how to delete a Facebook group. If you're an admin of a group that you no longer need or want to manage, deleting it is straightforward but does require a few steps. Let's get started. Before we begin, here are a few important things to consider. Only a group admin can delete a Facebook group. All group members must be removed before you can delete the group. Once deleted, a group cannot be recovered. Now that you know the basics, let's get into the steps to delete a group. Open the Facebook app, log into your account on the mobile app. Tap the menu 3 lines at the bottom right for iOS, then select Groups and go to the group you want to delete. Tap on Manage. Tap People to view the group's members list. For each member, tap the 3 dots next to their name and select Ban from Group. Continue this process until all members have been removed. Once all members are removed, return to the group's main page. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Delete Group. Confirm the deletion to finalize removing the group. And that's it. Your group will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. Now you know how to delete a Facebook group. Remember, once deleted, it's permanent, so consider archiving if you're not entirely sure. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more social media tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.